everybody, this is Brian back with a Gala Games Gala token update. Super volatile day in the market today after that FOMC meeting. If you look on the left here, or on the right, I apologize, you can see that only a couple coins that I keep an eye on are in the green. Mostly red out there. It was pretty crazy when that meeting was going on, how fast the market was reacting to it. And I got some really exciting stuff to show you on Gala here, so please don't go away. And this 5 wave that we're looking at, it definitely hasn't invalidated anything. It looks like Gala's found some ground to hold on, but I want to show you something really crazy here. When that meeting was going on at 2:30, look at this is on the 1 minute chart. Look at Bitcoin at 2:30. 230, let's get right to 230. We were right here. We were bumping on that upper resistance, looking to break through it. And this is on the 1 minute chart. You know, we're always talking about the 5 waves. Look at how it did the 5 waves down just in the minute chart. Look at that, 4 and 5 right there. Isn't that crazy how it does that? It really is. I mean, but anyway, I just thought I'd show you that because that FOMC meeting, I knew we were going to have some super volatility today, one way or the other, and it turned out that it went the way, kind of the way we didn't really want it to. And the Dow Jones, the dollar's down. The dollar, you can look at it on the 1 minute chart. Isn't that crazy? There at 2:30 when this meeting started, and boy, that thing just tanked down too. This is on the 1 minute. It bounced down here. It's found some stability, and I expect the whole market will stabilize out here. I mean, that's just how it goes with sometimes when these things are addressed. And this is Gala on the 1 minute. You can see, you know, when that meeting started here at, there's 2:30. Okay, we were right in here. That thing started going up a little bit and then, you know, sucked right down. But it hasn't broken any structures in here, and it looks like we're bouncing down here. We found the bottom. And like I said, that's on the 1 minute. And I have an exciting, pretty decent article to read you. Then I'm going to dig into this and show you how it has not broke any structures. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every day. And going to do that 100 ADA giveaway next week. And all you have to do to be entered is just be a subscriber. So let's get into this. The future of Web3 gaming, Digitodes, and Gala. It says join the Digitode revolution. So Digitodes, by launching a one-of-a-kind Web3 gaming platform, Toads holders are granted exclusive access to claim their own unique Digitodes. Yeah, see, I haven't looked into that too much, but we're here to read about the Gala Games. Gala Games is a pioneering blockchain-based gaming platform revolutionizing the way gamers interact with their investments. Holders are now able to take ownership of items earned through gameplay, something which was not previously possible. With a variety of titles such as a real-time strategy, multiplayer online battle arena, and role-playing games, players can expect rewards in the form of digital assets, including Gala crypto and NFTs. Gala Games runs on Ethereum's blockchain, but has also entered into partnerships with Polygon Network and BNB Chain via P Network Bridge DApp, so that users have reduced gas fees when trading tokens. Boy, and that's huge too. When a bull run does come along, guys, if you haven't been here for one, boy, the Ethereum gas fees get a little ridiculous. But the conclusion, Web3 gaming cryptos are set to revolutionize the industry, offering gamers a new way of interacting with their games. For new investors keen to get in on this groundbreaking technology, Gala and Toads are 2 great options that could show continued growth over time. Yeah, I expect Gala to really be they already are a massive player in the crypto space. And boy, with them gaming, you know, I say it time and time again, you can't go wrong with that. Holy cow! I mean, PlayStation, and how big are these companies? You know, and gaming is something that is never going to go away. So if we look at these, here's your top 100. This is on the day, only a few green out there after that meeting. We had a lot of green before the meeting, and this is after. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index And this is after the meeting. This is all updated to the minute. The market cap's down 3.25%. Volume is down 60, almost 68% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is still up a sliver at 0.29, and we are down to a 62. We were at a 68 yesterday. Still in greed, believe it or not. Here's your biggest gainers, biggest losers. A lot of red on the board. That's and everything will find a bottom. It always does. I'm sure we'll bounce back tomorrow. The Dow Jones was tanking. I was watching the meeting and these charts as it was going on, and the Dow has found a bottom too. It was actually starting to go up, but then it tanked down, and we were so close to getting that price that we've been. I'm not taking that off there until we get up through there. So we were so close to hitting that, and I'm sure if it would have went in our favor today, this meeting, we would have been fine. But this 5-wave structure is obviously still in play here. You can see this thing, 3, 4. This 4 could pull the whole way down here before it was invalidated. This thing is totally still valid. So, and that's the end. That 5 isn't probably going to be that long, but who knows where it'll end up. They can go impulsive sometimes. And like I said yesterday, this is all inside of a wave 1. So I want to show you some pretty exciting stuff here. I was looking at checking these charts out earlier, and the 8-hour and 12-hour RSIs are at the bottom, which is massive. That's going to take us through the next 3, 4, 5 days. That's the 8-hour. Here's the 12-hour. Look at these things. They're getting to the bottom, and that's pretty exciting because when you want them at the bottom, heading up, for the next, probably the next week's price action anyway that they're going to cover. So that's pretty. It looks like Gala's found a bottom here. I'm going to mark this thing. I really don't think it's going to go any lower. I think it's found a bottom right where it's at. So I'll keep an eye on these charts overnight. Please hit that subscribe button, and yeah, you can look at that bounce we're getting already. So things are finding a bottom, guys. That's just how these markets are. I mean, if you've been in them for a while, things hit a bottom and even out. So thank you so much for watching my video, and tomorrow hopefully we'll have some good price action to cover. So have a fantastic night, everybody. Thanks a lot.